back to my channel. So today, we're heading up to one of the most beautiful destinations here in the Philippines. And guess what it is? It's Batanes! But I'm not exploring alone. I'll be guided by a local tour guide. So, see you there!
Precious, I'm Kisel, your tour guide for this journey. Welcome to Batanes. Did you know Batanes is a land of the breathtaking landscape and facilitating history? You are about to experience the heart of this beautiful province.
Everyone, meet Miss Michelle. So, where are we heading up first?
The first destination is Basco Lighthouse. But first, you need to rest. We're going to the Fundacion Pasita Hotel, the most expensive hotel in the Batanes. Here's the Fundacion Pasita Hotel, and to tell us more, let's welcome Sir Lay.
Hi, Mr. Lay.
Hi, Precious. Welcome to Fundacion Pasita Hotel. Fundacion Pasita is a unique hotel in Basco, Batanes, Philippines. Fundacion Pasita is a boutique hotel offering some stunning views of the mountains, the sky, and the sea. Our room options are premium suite, terrace suite, luxury terrace suite, family loft, and family suite mountain view. This hotel is situated on the top of the cliff, providing a 270-degree view of surrounding landscape. The hotel features traditionally inspired guest rooms with wooden furnishing and artworks by local tourists. Here are the things that we can offer. We have restaurant also known as Cafe du Tupon. It serves farm-to-table Ivatan dishes using locally sourced ingredients.
Thank you, Mr. Lay.
You're welcome, Miss Precious, and enjoy your vacation here in Batanes.
Let's again welcome Miss Cashel to begin our exploring.
Hello again, Miss Precious. So, are you ready to the first destination?
Yeah!
The Basco Lighthouse. Welcome to Basco Lighthouse, Mrs. Precious. This lighthouse built in 2003, but not just a vehicle for ship, but also a symbol of Batanes residents.
Wow! Just like a painting. A
Yes.
must-visit spot for sure.
Philippine Sea. Lady Hills, where the lighthouse is located, also holds historical significance. It was a once-off communication hub during the American period.
Wow, the first destination is so beautiful. What's the next destination, Miss Cashel?
The second destination is the Sabtang Island. Welcome to Sabtang Island, Miss Precious. This island is famous for the traditional Ivatan stone houses, built to withstand the strong winds and typhoons. A stone formation shape like a bridge.
These stone houses, they're like a window to the past. Sabtang is such a cultural treasure. What's the last destination, Miss Cashel?
Our last destination is the Marlborough Hills. Welcome to Marlborough Hills, also called Rakul Apayaman by the locals, meaning the big pasture land. Marlborough Hills is not just a tourist spot, it's also communal pasture land where Ivatans bring their livestock. This harmony between nature and tradition is what makes it so special.
This is breathtaking. The fresh air, the view. No wonder they call this as the New Zealand of the Philippines. All of the destination is so beautiful. No wonder a lot of people is visiting Batanes. And for those who does not yet visit Batanes, come in here now. Batanes is a must-visit destination. Do you have any other recommendation on hotel, Miss Rochelle, the good, budget-friendly, and easy access when it comes to this destination.
The first one is Bernardo Hotel, which is mid-range hotels. To tell us more, here's Sir Chris.
Hi, Sir Chris. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Hi, Sir Chris.
Hi. Welcome to Bernardo's Hotel. It offers the view of the Pacific Ocean waves. And from the roof deck, you can see the 360 natural beauty of the island.
Affordable hotel here in Basco, Batanes, which range from 3,000 to 6,000 pesos.
Our accommodation offers clean and simple rooms, equipped with basic amenities like air condition, TV, private bathrooms, and internet access. Also, we have variety of rooms. We have single, double, triple, and family rooms.
Now and experience Batanes like no other.
Thank you to the information, Sir Chris.
You're welcome, Miss Precious.
Now, let's go to the next hotel.
To tell us more about Marfel Hotel, let's welcome Sir Joseph.
Hi, Sir Joseph.
Hi, Precious. Welcome to Marvel's Hotel here in Basco, Batanes. This cozy accommodation offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere for the travelers.
If you guys are looking for budget-friendly, you can visit Marfel Hotel. But if you guys are looking for not too expensive but still budget-friendly, you can visit Bernardo's Hotel. And for the most expensive one, you can visit Fundacion Hotel. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Rochelle, for joining me to explore your beautiful province.
Always welcome, Miss Precious. It's been an honor to share this paradise with you. Batanes is more than just a landscape. It's the culture, the people, and the cool story that make it so special.
Batanes is not only known for its beautiful destinations, but also for its foods. Here are some of the famous dishes in Batanes.